boys and girls. I'm so glad that you've joined us for some fun in the kitchen. And today, I have some special helpers. I have Mr. Ben.
Hi!
And Miss Cadence.
Hi!
And I have Mr. Daniel.
Hi!
And I have Miss Summer.
Hi.
And guess what?
What?
Who knows who Miss Brenda is?
Me.
Well, guess what? These are Miss Brenda's, see if you can say this, Craisin Raisin Cookies.
Craisin Raisin Cookies.
Miss Brenda's.
That's
That's a mouthful to say, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
Craisin Raisin. Do you know what craisins are? Do you boys and girls know what
Crazy
craisins
raisins.
are?
Crazy Raisin.
Crazy raisins. They're dried cranberries.
Oh.
So we have dried cranberries, and we have two different colored raisins.
We have the yellow color and the black color.
That's right. They call them the golden raisins and then the regular raisins.
I like cranberries.
You do? I do too.
I love red raisins.
You do? Oh, they're good, aren't they? Well, I'll tell you a little secret. While you're cooking, you can sneak one and eat it, okay? Will it help you grow to be big and strong?
I like the gold, like the big raisins.
Oh, okay.
As big as this?
All right, let's get started, boys and girls. First, we're going to start with our margarine. There's the margarine. Put the margarine in.
Miss Cinda,
What?
this kind of looks like butter.
And then you're going to need 3/4 cup, Summer, of your sugar. So get your 4th cup, Ben. 3 1/4 cups. Nope. Oh, yeah? You know what?
1, 3 of these.
You can do a 1/2 cup and 1/4 a cup, or you can do 3 1/4 cups.
3 of these.
Yes. Okay? And then...
Miss Cinda, look.
And then you guys can do the packed brown sugar. I'm going to need 3 1/4 cups of packed brown sugar. There you go.
That's not 1/4
Nope,
cup.
here's a 4th cup right there. So you'll need
Miss Cinda.
3 of those, okay?
The sugar sparkles.
It does, doesn't it? Oh, it looks good. Okay, so we're gonna put in. Oh, sure. How about if I use this? Now, with packed brown sugar, remember, boys and girls, you're going to take your hand. Take your hand.
Do you have them?
Did you do 3? Did you pack it down? Mm-hmm. You packed it down real hard with your hand, Daniel?
Yep. Is this much?
Yes, perfect. There's 1.
Miss
Now
Cinda,
2 more. Yes, Ben?
see how I'm measuring off with my knife?
Ben, that's very good. Boys and girls, can you see what Ben's doing? He levels it off, and very good, Summer. You did it too. Because we want to make sure our measurements are right, well, don't we? You got to press that down real hard. See, look. You can use your hand too if you
Miss
want.
Cinda,
Yes?
I think maybe a teaspoon of brown sugar and a teaspoon of white sugar. If you mix it up together, it'll look pretty.
You think so? Okay, let me read our recipe, because it's important, boys and girls, to read your recipe so that you get the exact amount of ingredients in, okay? So, you guys, do we have our white sugar and our brown sugar in?
Yep.
And do we have our margarine in?
Yep.
Okay, Summer and Ben, I want you to put in 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And Cadence and Daniel, you can put all the water in. You can just dump it right in. Thank you, Ben. Okay, 1 teaspoon. There, you can dump all the water in.
There's a lot of stuff in this ingredient.
Good job. There is. Look at all these ingredients we have.
Miss Cinda. I'm to making the shake. Like, I make some. My mom makes some bread.
She does, and that takes lots of ingredients.
I know how to make bread.
Okay.
Sometimes me too. Sometimes I can make it all. We have a flour grinder. Miss Cinda.
You do? Okay, now
My
when you
grandma
guys
has a flour grinder too.
Ooh, okay, wait. Whoa. Matt, you guys, can you help her, Ben? You guys, when you're using electric mixer, here's Summer, you help Daniel. when you guys have electric mixer, make sure you leave it standing straight up. Don't tip it, because then otherwise your ingredients will fly everywhere. Go ahead, turn it on, Summer.
Hey, Cinda.
Get it all mixed up.
Now the butter is getting mixed.
Good, get it all mixed up, and I'll see what goes in next. Go in circular motion, Summer.
This is fun.
Is that fun? How are you guys doing? Go in circular motions all the way around. So kind of move your mixer around in a circle, boys and girls. Very good. And be careful that your spatula doesn't get caught in your beaters.
I'm done.
Okay? Okay, Ben, put it down. No, leave it on. We're still going to be using it. So let's leave it like this so it drips over the bowl, okay? Okay, you can turn it off. Okay, and now you can set it up like this so it doesn't drip. Okay, now we're going to add all the rest of the ingredients. So you guys add the, you're going to have, let me see, 1 cup of flour.
Miss Cinda,
you can add all the
Miss
oats.
Cinda, I knew we were going to have one cup of flour.
You did?
Uh-huh.
You can add all of it. You don't have to measure it. You can just dump it in, okay? And then we're going to need 1 table. Here's your baking. I already mixed your baking powder and salt for you. I almost pushed that over here,
Miss
Cadence.
Cinda, I like being in
Good
the
job.
kitchen.
You do? Do you guys like to cook? Who likes to cook?
Me.
Oh.
Dump all of that in?
Yes, you can dump it all in.
Miss Cinda, I can't wait until we put the raisins in.
Oh. Okay, you guys have the flour in?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you can put that in, Ben.
All of it?
Yes.
Okay.
And then let's see. You can put in your applesauce. Did you get all your flour in?
Applesauce.
Can put in your applesauce
All
and
of the flour?
put in your applesauce. Dump all that in, Cadence.
Miss Cinda. Miss Cinda. In all of the applesauce?
Yes, all the applesauce.
We always want to have a recipe or else it won't turn out good.
That's right. Okay, now that you have that, good job, Ben. Okay, you can set it right in here. Okay, now before you start your mixer, make sure it's standing upright. Okay, take your mixer. Okay, you guys ready?
Yep.
Oh, that's what you have a towel for. Oh, we don't have, Miss Cinda forgot to put the towels out. Good thing I have some. There you go. Okay, mix that up really good.
Miss Cinda.
Are you getting it all mixed up?
Yep.
Good job.
Miss Cinda, this is fun.
Is it fun?
Uh-huh.
Okay, now keep mixing and I'm going to add... I'm adding your cornstarch. And boys and girls, we're using cornstarch instead of an egg. So cookies are really good for you.
Am I done?
Almost. You need to take your spatula and scrape the sides. Make sure, boys and girls, you run your spatula. That's just right. That's exactly right, you guys. Get all that stuff on the sides. Oh, and you know what else we need? Did you do vanilla, Ben?
Yep.
You did that? And Ben, wait a minute. I need a ½ teaspoon of cinnamon. Summer, I need a ½ teaspoon of cinnamon in yours. Okay? And that should be our last. Here's your cinnamon.
Oh.
Here's cinnamon. Here's your cinnamon. ½ a
Miss
teaspoon
Cinda,
of cinnamon.
I thought you meant sugar.
Oh, no. And then
Where's the 1/2?
Oh, I'm sorry. Right there.
I got mine.
Okay, and then you guys can mix all this. You can put these two in. You can
we have-
taste them if you want to, if you want to see what they taste like.
Oh,
Because they do taste a little different. Do you want to taste
Do we
them?
have to measure them?
Do you want to taste them, Cadence? Here, you can
Miss
see.
Cinda.
Tell me which raisins you like better. Oh, I'll move it here. There you go. That's the raisin. See who likes, and here's a craisin. You want to try a craisin? See if you like a craisin.
The craisins are
You like
yummy.
the craisin? You guys taste your craisins? Here's your craisin. You want to taste it? You want to taste a craisin, Daniel? You can just dump them all in. You can put all this in now. Okay? You can dump all this in there, okay?
This is a weird bowl.
It is. It's just shaped a little. Watch out, Ben. Let her give her room to dump in.
All
Let-
the rest of the stuff just dump.
Do you like raisins?
Yes. So, boys and girls, all of this you can just put in.
Miss Cinda, do we put all the raisins in?
Uh-huh. Oh, are
the
these going to
nuts?
be yummy? Yes, that's our walnuts. Oh, those look so good.
Nom, nom, nom. What are you doing?
They
Eat
taste.
all the raisins?
Here's some more too. Oh, you left one here too. They taste good?
Uh-huh. The craisins are good, but I like the raisins better.
You do.
Uh-huh.
Okay, you guys need to mix yours one more time. Is that our kitchen timer? Oh, we had to hurry. Okay, that's good. Turn your mixers off.
Whoa, Miss Cinda,
Now.
it's going all over the place.
Is it? I'm going to give you each a spoon, and now drop it onto, by teaspoons, onto our cookie sheet. And you know what? I'm going to spray this real fast. Okay, go ahead. Drop it by teaspoonfuls onto our cookie sheet. There you go. Can you all reach it?
Uh-huh.
I got mine.
Good job.
Cinda.
Which mine?
Oh, how about if I pull it like that? Is that okay for you, Summer?
Miss Cinda,
Yes?
I think I see some on the oven.
Ho, ho, ho. Miss Cinda has made some ahead of time. So you all are going to get to taste it. Look how good these look.
Yum.
Oh, you want one now? That's fine. You can taste one now. Does anybody else want to taste one now? You can. Because, you know what? When we're in the kitchen, we get to taste our food, don't we?
Huh?
Here, Summer. You want to taste it?
I
What do you think?
like this.
Are they good?
Mm-hmm.
Boys and girls, I think you're going to love them too. They're good. Ooh. Who likes being in the kitchen?
Me.
It's fun, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Now make sure when you're putting them on the cookie sheet, you keep them in rows. That's our kitchen timer, boys and girls. That's all the time we have for now. But I hope you've had fun. And remember, boys and girls, anytime you can be in the kitchen, it's fun.